in the name of the Cameroon Baptist Convention, and by virtue of the duties and responsibilities incumbent upon me as CBC Executive President, I now solemnly install you, Mr. Warri Denis and Mr. Simon Manga, respectively, as Deputy Director to the Director of Health Services in charge of Finance and Administration, and Deputy Director to the Director of Health Services in charge of Clinical Services.
Pioneer deputies to the Director of CBC Health Services have assumed office. The duo took office following an installation ceremony on the 1st of February 2022 at the Baptist Center in Bamenda.
This is the first of its kind that we are putting in place for installing deputy directors to the Director of Health Services. What it is in effect is that they assist the Director of Health Services. My team is there to assist these pioneer deputy directors to the Director of Health Services.
The deputies will assist the Director of CBC Health Services in some of the tasks he single-handedly handled in the past.
Happy for additional hands to do the work God has called us to do. So I want to tell them, welcome, join the team, join the wagon while it is moving, and make the contributions that God has brought you on board to make at this point in time.
As the deputies take up service, they have committed to put their rich experiences acquired over the years to surmount any challenges and keep the system afloat.
In general, I want to say that I'm committed to maintaining a management system within the CBC Health Services that is accountable and that is responsive and that is also reliable.
I did not expect that I was going to have this position, but I think that it's God that has put me there. And as His word says, that He does not call the qualified, but He qualifies the people He calls. So by His word I stand, and I believe that whatever the challenges may be, He is with me, and He will give me the breakthrough.
Do not wait until something of greatness you may do. Do not wait to shake your light afar.
Akem lives in Bamenda.